cooking fish that hates that strong fish smell? On this episode of Spice and Simplicity with Julie, I'll be showing you how I clean and marinate my fish the right way. Without wasting much time, let me show you the step-by-step process. First, we scale the fish. So I'm scaling the fish now. This is croaker fish. I don't have a scaler for this video, so I'm using my knife. So you scale it while it's inside the water, so you don't make a mess. So now we remove the fins. Now the scaling is done without making any mess around the sink. We'll continue cleaning to remove the gut. Now I want to remove the guts. See? Yep. So when I cut it, I'll remove more from the middle side. Cleaning continues. So I'll cut into parts and continue cleaning. So the cleaning continues. Remove all. It takes time. So when we cut it, we'll be able to reach those parts we couldn't initially. It's good. Remove all this. Yep. Our next step is to remove the smell from the fish. So what we need to remove the smell is a half cup of vinegar. Half a cup. Then we need 1 lemon. Then we add our already cleaned fish. So we soak this for 30 minutes. 30 minutes has passed and the smell is gone. So remove the fish, pat dry and marinate. Now we're going to marinate the fish. The simple ingredients. We have grinded peppercorn, grinded chilies, onion powder, Jeremy seasoning, and of course salt to taste. And for fish, I like to marinate them just one at a time. Make sure. So we are done marinating the fish. We'll leave it in the fridge for 24 hours. Remember to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to be receiving recipes from Spice and Simplicity with Julie. For the next video, we'll be making a sauce out of this.